Hello, good day, and welcome. Today we're going to be dealing with BECE 2019 Mathematics Past Question, question 40. Make M the subject of the formula. Make M the subject of the formula. Mg minus T is equal to Ma. M is equals to Mg plus A plus T. B, M is equals to M minus T, G minus A. C, M is equals to Mg minus T plus A. And D, M is equals to open brackets Mg minus T close brackets all over A. So we have to make M the subject of the formula. Mg minus T is equal to Ma. So we have to make this M here the subject of this equation. Now, making M the subject of the formula simply means what? Making M to stand alone in one side of the equation. That is making this M here to stand alone in one side of the equation. And for us to achieve this, we have to what? We have to simplify this formula, this equation. So we have Mg minus T is equal to this Ma, and we are asked to make this M subject of formula. We are asked to make this M subject of the formula. So we have Mg minus T is equal to Ma. Now, to make M here subject of formula, or to make M here stand alone, we have to remove this A from this place. And the best way to remove A from here, since A is multiplied to M to have Ma, is by dividing A. That is, by removing A here, we have to divide both sides by A. Dividing both sides by A will eliminate A from this side where M is located, and thereby bringing this A here to this other side, making M here to stand alone and making it the subject of this formula. Now, what I mean is by dividing both sides, we divide both sides by A. So you have Mg minus T all over A is equal to Ma all over A. So this A, we cancel this A, therefore we have what? We have that M is equal to Mg minus T all over A. Mg minus T all over A. So this is our answer. We successfully made M the subject of the formula. So M is equals to what? Mg minus T all over A. Now let's go to our options and check which of these options corresponds to our answer. A here says M is equals to Mg plus A plus T. No. B here says M is equals to M minus Tg minus A. No. C here says M is equals to Mg minus T plus A. No. And D here says M is equals to Mg minus T all over A. If you look at this, these are in brackets, and it's the same thing as saying what? Mg minus T over A. Mg minus T over A. So D here is our answer. So M is equal to Mg minus T all over A. Therefore M is the subject of this formula and is given as this expression. So therefore D is our answer. M is equals to Mg minus T all together all over A. Thank you very much, and God bless you. Please ensure you subscribe to our channel to get more of our videos.